Hello traders, welcome to the channel. I'm your host Running Forward. Today the ticker symbol I want to share with you is EWZ. This is the Brazil ETF. This is for educational purpose only. This is not financial advice. As you can see, I have the daily chart pulled up, and on the daily we can see clearly it's in uptrend because it's above the 200, the red lines here, and above the 50 on the daily. But I want to bring your attention to the monthly chart. You can see I have a downtrend line drawing here, and price has closed above this downtrend line. I want to point out is no matter how you draw your downtrend line, even like this or like this, price has always it all show that price has closed above that downtrend line. And if we come back to look at over here, when price broke this downtrend line, it tried to come up here to this resistance area near $49, and it couldn't get through it, and then it came back down, tried again, couldn't do it, and then came down hard to here, and then formed a lower high, because if we draw a trend line like this, we can see that it's a higher low. We can see that that's this area here in March of what is this? This is March 2020. That was a higher low, but it couldn't get even close to those recent high. So the price action was dwindling down to even further down. But if we extend this trend line, you can see that it actually found support. It actually found support here on that trend line. So I think the price action is telling us that it wants to maybe try another time to tackle this area. So that will be the first target. You can say that you can always argue that the first target is here near 38, 30, 39 maybe, because there was the high here and there was the low here. That's true. It could be, first it has to tackle those smaller resistance areas, but if it can get past that, and then the target will be to come up over to here, and then if it can get over there, then there are some targets we can see on the chart that's previous resistance area. But I just want to point out that this one has recently closed above the downtrend line on the monthly. And then if we draw a trend line here, we can see that it's in the uptrend line in the short term. So this one, with the market like this, market pulling back and all the volatility in the market, you can see that this one on the daily is also pulling back, which is good because we can wait for a better entry point, like over here when price consolidated, went sideways, and then this green candle come in, passing this previous resistance area. That's a good entry point because our stop loss will be underneath here, which is not that much, I don't think. 2%, not even. And now for this one right now, it's good that if it pulls back to the trend line on the daily and then give us an entry point. So that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you'll find some value in this video. Until next time, bye for now.